straight line and curved line. This video is brought to you by Innovative Academy. Quality education for all. Topics to be covered: straight line and curved line, points and line, circle, quadrilateral, triangle, plane figure, solid objects, measurement.
Dear students, now look at this ground. There is a rope on this ground. Look at this rope carefully. What does it look like? Now Rohan and Prabin stretch this rope by holding the two ends of the rope. Now look at this rope again. How does it look now? Students, what difference did you see in the rope when it was on the ground and when it is stretched?
The rope was zigzag when it was on the ground. But when Rohan and Praveen stretched it, it became straight, isn't it?
Students, now look at this table. There is a thread on the table. Look at this thread. What does it look like? Now let us stretch this thread by holding its two ends. How does it look now? What difference did you see in the thread when it was on the table and when it was stretched?
The thread was zigzag when it was on the table. But now, when it is stretched, it is straight.
Dear students, look here again. Let me draw a line with my hand. Look at this line. What does it look like? Now, let me draw another line with the help of this ruler. Look at this line very carefully. What does it look like? And what is the difference between the lines that I drew with my hand and the line that I drew with the help of a ruler?
The line that was drawn with a hand was not straight, but the line that was drawn with the help of the ruler is straight in shape.
Yes, dear students, this line is not as straight in shape, but this line that I drew with the help of the ruler is straight in shape.
This type of zigzag line is called a curved line, and this type of line is called a straight line.
Dear students, let me put a thread on this paper again. You all know that this thread is not straight. Now let me draw a line with this thread. Look at this line now. What does it look like?
This line is also zigzag.
Yes, students, the line that is drawn along the zigzag thread is also zigzag in shape. And this type of line is known as curved line. Now let me stretch this thread. Now it becomes straight. Now let me draw a line along the thread. Now look at this line. What does it look like?
It is straight.
Yes, dear students, the line that is drawn along the straight thread is also straight. And this type of line is known as a straight line.
Similarly, when we drew a line along with the rope that is on the ground, we get a curved line. And when we drew a line along with the stretched rope, we get a straight line.
Students, now you can easily see the difference between a straight line and a curved line. Can you not?
Thank you for visiting Innovative Academy. Here you can learn with a simple 4-step learning process, wherein you watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and we have content for Class 1 to Class 12 on mathematics, physics, chemistry, and biology along with practical videos, so please subscribe to our channel for daily updates.